Today, we will learn about put options. A put option is known in the investment market as a contract that gives the holder the right and not necessarily the obligation to sell a particular number of underlying security at a given price over a given period. A put option is the reverse of a call option, which allows the owner to purchase an underlying security at a particular price before the expiration of the option. Put options can be traded on a number of underlying assets such as currencies, indices, stocks, and commodities. The specific price at which the holder of a put option can sell is known as the strike price. The valuable nature of a put option increases as the cost of a given underlying asset lowers in comparison to the stated strike price. This means that a put option will lose its value as the price of an underlying commodity increases. Let's look at the concept of time decay in put options. When looking at the expiration date included in the contract, the value of a given option will decrease as the date draws closer. Time decay decreases the value of a put option due to decrease in the probability of the stock to fall. An option that loses time value is left with the intrinsic value, which is equal to the difference obtained from the strike price and the underlying asset price. The option that has intrinsic value can be said to be in the money or ITM. Put options that have out of the money or OTM usually do not have intrinsic value. This is because the option holder would not realize the benefits obtained from exercising a given option. Let's look at some advantages of purchasing put options. Put options allow an investor to take advantage of the downward movement of a given stock, even without owning the stocks. Investors can risk a small amount of money compared to other alternatives where they lose a higher percentage. The most significant amount that a trader can lose, depending on a given trade, relies on the price of the put. The fact that buying a put gives you leverage for earning a higher amount than the one you already have. Increased returns from investments, hence building your portfolio. What are the shortcomings of purchasing put options? A put option comes with an expiry date, which makes time crucial during trading. A trader will only make profits when the price of a stock moves downwards. A put option increases value only when the stock price drops. A put option will lose its value as a result of time decay when stock prices remain stagnant. Here is a simple example to understand put options. If an ABC firm in India is trading at Rs 40 in the NSE, a put option agreement having a strike price of Rs 30 is expiring in 1 month and costs Rs 200. Priyanka, who is an investor, strongly believes that ABC firm stock is likely to drop in a few weeks according to the recently released financial report. She therefore pays Rs 200 for one put option that has 100 shares. Priyanka was right and the stocks of ABC drops to 30 rupees due to losses. She therefore earns profits of worth Rs 800. Well, that's all we had for put options. In the next topic, we will learn about basic option strategies.